And if you live here in Michigan or specifically in Detroit, you don't need us to tell you that auto insurance rates are way too high. They're through the roof. Starting today, Michigan drivers will no longer be required to purchase unlimited personal injury protection, which makes up about half of your policy cost. But experts will warn you there's a lot to consider.
You will, for the first time, have consumer choice.
When it comes to personal injury protection under auto insurance, choice is new for Michigan drivers, previously required to buy unlimited protection. Starting today, drivers can downgrade their coverage to $500,000, $250,000, or opt out of PIP altogether if they have qualifying medical coverage. Even if you stick with unlimited, your rate should go down, says attorney Jordan Acker.
Buy the most you can. If you can afford unlimited, buy an unlimited plan.
Previously required unlimited PIP is why Edward Mangai says he's still able to afford occupational therapy at DMC.
I swerved to miss some deer that were crossing the road. Car flipped over and I saw this bright light and I'm thinking, oh, darn, I wrecked my car.
That crash was 18 months ago and he's still getting regular care.
Just the medical costs, I can't imagine the price of the neurosurgeons and not to mention that I had 3 different surgeries on my neck.
Acker says for Michigan drivers who regularly cross the Ohio border, there's another big change to keep in mind.
If you, say, are a Monroe resident and your grandma lives in Toledo, you go pick up grandma and bring her back to Monroe for dinner. If you get in an accident on the Michigan side of the border, your grandma doesn't have a car or insurance in Ohio. She has no protection. However, if that accident happens on I-75 on the Ohio side of the border, she gets benefits through the Michigan Assigned Claims Plan.
Now, under the previous law, that person would have sought benefits through your insurance. So a lot is slated to change here. Acker says even if you do stick with unlimited PIP, your rate should still go down. He says it's really going to be incumbent upon drivers to hold their insurance companies accountable to that. We have much more on the savings and the changes you should expect on our website, WXYZ.com. Reporting live this morning, Jen Shantz, 7 Action News.